I'm from the Philippines.
I'm from Phoenix.
Together, we're Phils to Phoenix.
Two countries.
One heart. And
Welcome to our weekly Chikka-chikka. Hey, we did pretty good.
Good job. So what we did for this week or last week? We covered last week. Okay, we covered from Monday to today. So Monday to Thursday, not really had a lot going on, but I know
Ben came over and did a little bit of lawn work for us.
Okay, yeah.
He did some landscaping out front.
Yes.
Thursday, I did the prep work and got it ready to put up some pegboard in the garage and mount a cupboard that we'd had. I'd had that since I moved into this place. Matter of fact, I had that at the old place I used to live at, and just never got around to mounting it for no real good reason, but it just never did.
Yeah.
And
So
someone's making me clean up the garage, so.
Yeah. From Monday to, I remember I did some overtime at work for maybe 30 minutes or an hour. And no, just from Monday to Thursday.
One of those days you're like an hour and a half.
Well, I'm volunteering, making Christmas decoration like this. Trying to make the office really festive and happy. You know,
That's very cool.
Trying to spread out the spirit and vibes and.
Yeah, you've been making decorations all night, every night, all week.
Yeah, we just study.
And studying. And?
I'll be honest, I'm like my body is shutting down. After like this class, I'll try to go to sleep. Maybe not really, because preparing for a trip and what the things we need to do, but I'll try to be active. But what we did, what else? Before I go.
Friday night you went to.
Oh yeah, I have some pictures and then video on my phone. You could download it.
Try and download it tonight.
Yeah, and then after you download, just delete all the pictures in there. I give you the authority.
Okay.
Okay. Kids, just show me or tell me where did you save the pictures and
I'll put them on a network drive now.
So you could just grab it from time to time. Because sometimes I like posting throwback pictures. Do you see that? But well, that's what I did, and I have our first Christmas gifts Friday. Isn't that cool and amazing? And then Saturday I went to work also for overtime. We went
8 to noon.
We went and get bagels for my team.
Uh-oh.
They're happy about it, so they were thankful. And then what else I need to do? I normally try to decorate and just help other people and decorate and then go some. It's just more mix and mix.
You're a good manager. You set people up and stay out of their way, let them do their thing unless they ask you, right?
Well,
that's what a good manager should do, is trust his people well enough to go do what they need to do.
Yeah, I agree.
Set them up and give them guidance only when they ask for it, not breathe down their necks all the time. So that's a good thing.
And then in the afternoon, we went to the EPS Light Parade.
Every year the city, Phoenix does this APS, Arizona Public Service, local electric utility.
I have a lot of pictures in my phone and my video too. So
we got a bunch of video too. I gotta see about editing that and get it out posted on Wednesday.
Yeah, that's amazing. And then it was like I was amazed in how many float. Like I thought it's just like 50, and then like keep waiting. It took like almost 2 hours, and I feel like, and I said, this country is really rich. I'm like far like couldn't comprehend. It makes sense. Like oh my god, I only see parades like maybe 20 floats. I guess 50 is much.
Well, this is a once a year thing that people do that they.
Yeah.
Companies and stuff will plan for several months.
I guess next year when we go to the auto plant, we're meeting up with some friends and just, hey, we need to go in the spot and like have picnics and get some.
We got there 2 hours early and we're like the second, third row of people.
Yeah.
And granted, we went to a pretty prime location, but there was a ton of people there.
Yeah. And it's good to come there and then with some friends and have like Chikka-chikka and just chit-chat and it's like Christmas party. It's just like You know what makes sense? Because you can see it was like, I will say my word, vivacious. It's my expression of like, wow, it's beautiful. So it's a Cebuano. I was really, really amazed. So we have Karen with us, and yeah, it's worth waiting. And with the cold, and yeah, it's worth waiting. It's worth it.
Because yeah, we got there 2 hours early, and with just the three of us, it kind of drug on a little bit.
Yeah.
So had a few extra people, and there were people down there doing just exactly that. They got there, and somebody later showed up with picnic and all the accoutrements.
Yeah, like coca.
Yeah,
Cocoa.
some people like hot
That would be a
cocoa.
good
and-
thing to bring with us. Like next time we're thermos and bring like cocoa and snacks and dinner and just sit there and watch and enjoy the show.
But that'd be a real cool thing. I got to meet some guys that I used to work with.
Yeah, I was
The-
worried. Like, where is John? Like,
Yeah, I had to get up and walk around from just sitting there. The back was bothering me a little bit, and the streets department goes in and does the street sweeping after the parade. So just before the parade started, that the street sweepers started to show up, and a couple of those guys that I used to work with for quite a while, and got to talk with them about what's going on over in streets now. So that was kind of fun.
yeah, that was cool. At least you
And-
get a chance to, you know.
Cindy and Karen got to ride the train again.
Yep, that was cool. And then this morning we went to church. I got a chance to run again because I'm secretly competitive. We have that active health program for Fitbit. I can
But,
show you this actually. Did I show you that? Like, I might do a screenshot. Like this one, work hustle, and it's like the entire. So this is just for the. You see, it's just like the team, but the standing is like all the offices of the entire company.
Holy cow.
My team is Phoenix, and I'm on the 6th,
7th.
7th, so yeah.
You got some work to do.
Well, I'm good. I'm good. And then, it was a really good sermon today. Like, it's
Yeah, it was kind of cool.
It's like how I always tell, like 10% of life that happened to us is it's out of our control. That's true. But 90% on it, it's how you responded, on how you react.
How you respond to that 10%.
Yes, that's correct. And it's just how you look things, what's your perspective, whether you get angry, you get frustrated, you get it just all mess. But if you look the positive, like you gotta go do it, you know, life would be easy or full of it. I will agree. It's just how you react in response to it. Of that
Can definitely understand that.
10%, right?
Oh, very much so.
Yeah. And well,
And
I get to make the.
in case no one had noticed,
You have the shaving.
No Shave November is finally over.
Yes.
So somebody made me shave today.
Yes, of course. I like him not shaving.
Stay tuned for the
shaving.
video.
Yes, that was really, really cool. And then we have dinner together. Our friend Karen and John give us lechon baboy and make it paksiw.
Oh, you made it to this time. Normally I make
Is
the
it
paksiw
good?
because I like a lot more gravy than you guys normally make.
Do you like it?
Oh yeah, it was very good. I love the taste of it. I've just figured out how to about triple the amount of gravy.
Oh yeah.
That's my only thing is I like it.
It's true.
White rice just is too bland for my palate for what I like.
I make garlic rice for you.
And she normally makes garlic rice, so it's not that big of a deal to not have as much gravy. But a lot of times you like just a white rice with it,
I feel like
and
I
that's when I really want that extra gravy.
It was cool. It was a cool experience. So I'm on my 6th week of class. And I have 2 weeks to go for my finals. I don't know.
the
My body is like almost trying to shut down with all the activities this month. Like I'll tell you, like next week we have Christmas party, we have meeting in the 9th. 15 we have Christmas party, and 22 we have Christmas party. I have Secret Santa at work. And then,
Yeah, because we've got Christmas parties coming
yes.
like crazy too.
Yes, so I'll see. I'll just try not to put so much time on it because I need to focus on review and studying. So we'll see.
Oh,
I'll not expect of A of I'll get B. I'm good with it. It's a super intense class. So.
it is. And again, that's part of the reason why I'm going. Is these last 3 are going to be really crazy for you. So.
Yeah. Well, I'll
And-
see then.
But that's actually about catching us up for the week.
It's exciting because it's December and it's finally here, the Christmas season, and gifts and just spreading the spirit of Christmas, positive vibes, because at work it started the
Your 3 months of waiting is almost over.
yeah. And I am so happy because I started so early and now like I get a chance to like express and feel like, because I'm already done like for September, October number 3, and then now like it's me more like inspiring, you know, like because I'm already, you know, like do I make sense? I have
Uh-oh.
all that renewing spirit and so it's really cool. But
Your excitement.
yep,
That
that would be it, right?
we're also talking about trying to do basic Visayan classes.
Yes. Well, hopefully, I'll try to
Hopefully.
find time for that.
And so if anybody has any particular phrases, keep them clean, that they'd like to learn.
Yeah. Hopefully after my class on the 3rd week of no, why am I saying September? December. Because I'll be back on my class on February 13th. So,
Yeah, because that's something that she can do the recordings here.
yeah.
I can pick them up online and just post a video, put together a video,
Yeah.
even if we're not physically together.
You could
so,
teach me and, you know, we'll start from there.
Oh.
Cool.
So,
Mabuhay!
mabuhay!